We'll guide you through how to make thumbnail in vidIQ. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by opening a browser on your laptop or PC and then go to vidIQ.com in the address bar. Log into your account using your credentials and make sure your channel is properly connected to YouTube before continuing. Wait until the dashboard fully loads so all tools are visible and ready to use. Look at the left sidebar and scroll down until you find the Create section. Click on Thumbnails to open the Thumbnail Generator tool. On the New page, confirm that it displays the text Where should we start so you know you are in the correct place. Click on the Describe your thumbnail idea field to activate the text box and begin typing your thumbnail concept clearly and in full sentences. Specify a blue to purple gradient background to set the overall mood and visual style. Add an instruction for a smartphone mockup on the left side to guide the layout. Specify that the phone screen shows the vidIQ dashboard to make the topic obvious to viewers. Add a large red arrow pointing to the phone screen to draw attention to the main subject. Add big bold text that says How to as the main hook for the thumbnail. Add larger text that says Make thumbnail to reinforce the topic and increase readability. Add highlighted text that says I in vidIQ to clarify the tool being demonstrated. Include the words bold text to ensure the typography stands out clearly. Include the words thick black outline so the text is readable on any background. Include the words high contrast YouTube style to improve visibility at small sizes. Click the arrow button to generate the thumbnail and wait for the thumbnail results to appear on the screen. Check if the background is blue to purple as requested and verify that the phone is positioned on the left side. Check if the red arrow is clearly visible and pointing correctly. Check if the text is large and readable on all devices. Finally, download the best result and upload it to YouTube Studio. This process helps create consistent, professional thumbnails easily.